Morning everyone, or hopefully afternoon by the time you see this. So today we're going to start looking at area and perimeter. Now I know you've already started this with Miss Major, but I just want to kind of reiterate all the things that she's already talked about. Okay, so the area, when we talk about the area of a shape, we refer to area to mean the space inside the shape. And when we are talking about perimeter, we are talking about the distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, now my best example of this in real life context is to think about a perimeter fence where, oh sorry, that wasn't very good English, where perimeter fence would mean that it goes around the whole edge of whatever it's meant to be fencing in. Okay. So that is my best idea in context. Okay. Now perimeter is very straightforward. To calculate the perimeter of a shape, you add all the sides. So, for example, if you had a rectangle and you had to calculate the perimeter, you would add all your sides up. So here's a rectangle, and we have been asked to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Here's my rectangle. So I'm trying to go at the distance around the outside of the shape. I'm starting here, I'm going along here, along here, along here, and along here. Now given that this is a rectangle, that has to be 10 meters, that has to be 3 meters, and so the perimeter is the distance around the outside, blah, 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 blah. So 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3. Okay, and obviously you can think about it as being 2 lots of 10 plus 2 lots of 3. That'll give you the same thing, and that's how we do it. Okay, so that's the bit to start with. So now, if we think about a perimeter of a different shape, so for example, if we had, I don't know, a shape like this, is what we call a compound shape. Okay, but it can be any shape. It can have any number of sides, a pentagon, a pentagon, a hexagon, an octagon. It can be, it can be any number of sides. Okay, so let's say we were given a shape like this, and we have to work out the perimeter of this. So I'm starting in this corner. That's obviously going to be 2 centimeters. Now I need to work out this distance here. Okay, now I want you to think about this by being, here's 20 centimeters, and this is 3. Okay, which means that this length here, which is equivalent to here, must be 20 take away 3. So that must be 17. Okay, I did 20 take away 3. That's what I did there. Similarly, this length here must be this total length, take away this part, the same, which is 2 centimeters. So this here must be 9 centimeters. That was 11 take away 2. Okay, so now my perimeter is going to be 2 plus 17 plus 9 plus 3 plus 11 plus 20, and that is what I'm adding up. Okay, so 9 plus 11 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, that makes 60, so it should make 62 centimeters. Okay, you can check it. I mean, we're only adding and subtracting, and multiplying when we're doing area and perimeter of most shapes. So you can check it on your calculator if you need to, but you shouldn't need to. It should all be done non-calculator. Okay, you will notice that my units here, I have meters because my rectangle is given to me in meters. Here I've got centimeters because my units have been given in centimeters. Okay, it is a distance, which is why it is measured in centimeters or meters. I'm going to do another video for area.